In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix MetaTrader 5 invalid account. Seeing the invalid account message in MetaTrader 5 usually means the platform can't authenticate you with your broker's server. The good news is that it's almost always a simple setup or credential issue, and we'll walk through how to fix it. Start by double-checking your login details. Your login ID is your account number provided by your broker, not your email address. Make sure the password you're entering is the trading password for this MT5 account, not the password you use for your broker's website or client portal. Passwords are case-sensitive, so a single capital letter or extra character can cause the error. To avoid typos, copy the login and password directly from your broker's welcome email or account dashboard, and watch out for extra spaces when pasting. Next, confirm you're selecting the exact trading server assigned to that account. Each MT5 account is tied to a specific server name, often labeled something like Broker Demo or Broker Live. In the MT5 login window, open the Server dropdown and choose the server that matches your broker's instructions. If you don't see it listed, go to File, then open an account and search for your broker's name to refresh the available servers, then pick the precise server from the list. A quick but important reminder, MT5 and MT4 credentials are not interchangeable. If your account was created for MT4, it won't log in to MT5. If your details and server look correct, verify that your account is still active. Demo accounts, and sometimes live accounts, after long inactivity, can be archived by the broker. Log into your broker's client area and check that this specific MT5 account shows as active. If it's archived, use the portal to restore it or reach out to support to reactivate it before trying again. Make sure your MT5 installation is up to date. Older builds can run into compatibility issues with broker servers. Update the platform through the built-in updater, or download and reinstall the latest version from your broker or the official MetaTrader site. After updating or reinstalling, restart MT5 and attempt the login again. Finally, rule out connection blocks. Temporarily disable any VPN or proxy, as they can route traffic in a way your broker's server rejects. Add the MT5 terminal app, typically terminal64.exe, to your antivirus and firewall exception lists. If you're still stuck, try a different network or restart your router to clear any network hiccups. Follow these steps in order, and in most cases, the invalid account error disappears. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video.